Ugh, today has not been, it's not been kosher. It has not been kosher. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Remember that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today is part 3 of my 50 random facts tag series thing that I am doing for Vlogtober. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. So let's jump in. My first random fact is that I am very, 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 very sensitive. My feelings get hurt really easily, and it's so annoying, and it makes me so mad because I want to be that person who never gets bothered by anything, but unfortunately that's not who I am, apparently. The second random fact about me is that I actually live with my boyfriend. We live together. We actually started living together before we were even together. So we were dating and we started living together because I didn't have anywhere else to go. I was moving out of my college dorms and I had nowhere else to go. And he was like, well, I guess you can move in with me. And I was like, no, really? I couldn't do that. And I moved in with him under the, I had plans to move out and get my own place. But then clearly that never happened. The third random fact about me is that I actually have 8 sisters. Yes, you heard me right. I said 8 sisters. I am the youngest of 8 girls. So, you know, we didn't all grow up in the same house because we all have different dads. But yes, I have 8 sisters. We actually just found my long lost sister. She was adopted. So we just met her a couple of years ago, actually. She found my mom, well, she found my sister on Facebook. And then we went out and we met her. So yeah, that's, whenever I tell people that I have 8 sisters, they're like, oh my God, like, how did you all, like, in the morning, how did you all get to the bathroom? I was like, no, we never actually, all of us lived together at one time. I actually was raised an only child. It was just me and my mom, so. The fourth random fact about me is that I have been dancing on and off for about 16 years. I first started in ballet, tap, and jazz when I was about 7 years old. I think I was 7 years old when I first started doing ballet and tap and jazz. And I did that for a few years, but then we couldn't afford to keep putting me in lessons. So I did it again in high school. I was on the dance team for 4 years. And then I stopped when I went to college. But then I started again in college. I thought I was going to major in dance in college, but then I realized that I was so out of shape and my technique was just not where it should have, it was needed to have been for me to major in dance. So I only took classes like for fun and I never actually majored in it. And now I am actually taking ballet again because I have made the decision that I would like to be a professional dancer at 25 years old, which is actually what started my weight loss journey. So if you guys would like to see a video on why I started my weight loss journey, then, you know, comment down below and I'll make that happen. The last random fact about me is that I have actually written 3 full-length novels. I have not published these novels, okay? I wrote them because I love to write and I thought I wanted to be an author, but they've never been published. No one's ever even read them but me. But I did write them, I did finish them, so they exist, but no one has ever read them and no one ever will read them, because going back and looking at them, they're not that good. They were good to me at the time, but they're definitely not that good. But I love to write. I've always loved to write. It's part of the reason why I got into journalism. It's just I'm not good at fiction. Fiction is not my forte. It's just not there. Okay, you guys, well, that is it for this video, for these random facts. I have 2 other videos that are going to be going up today, so keep an eye out for that. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. If you are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, you should do that, because I'm always on Instagram and Twitter liking and commenting and not doing my job, you know, where I'm actually supposed to be right now. I'm just kidding. I'm on lunch, I think. Yeah, I'm still on lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I appreciate you, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye, guys. Don't forget to check out this video, or this video, and don't forget to hit my face and subscribe. You know you want to.